got his camo on.
This mom was too late working on it. Between that and getting 23 off the road. Alright. Yeah, we got that all cleared. We're fixing to head that way here shortly.
So hold on here, Colton. You two, give us a breakdown. What the hell's going on?
I'll just show you. How about that? See if we can get that in there. That's no bueno. That's on the rear end.
And what?
Truck, it's in the middle of a neighborhood on a hill about like that. It won't go nowhere. So
Like one of our work trucks, like a 250
no,
or?
one of our big old dump trucks.
Ooh.
So, and it's fully loaded too, so it probably weighs about 80,000 pounds. So we got Doug Yates on the way up there, and they're gonna let them get it off the hill and get it to the shop. That way we don't run a 80,000 pound dump truck to a house.
And you guys, and we're going to supervise them doing this?
Yeah, we're gonna meet them up there and just
Meet 'em up there and watch it happen.
yeah, let the professionals do what they do.
Got to leave it up to the professionals.
Look through that hole right there, you'll see it. You kind of go down and look up a little bit. Go under the frame right there.
Oh, right there.
Yeah.
Okay. So what's the game plan here?
He's gonna do his thing, and I guess he's gonna take that tow truck and somehow or another pick that thing up and scoot it back on the road so we can ease it on out of here, and then he'll hook to it and take it to Worldwide for us so they can get it fixed up. Good thing that thing's under warranty. That's worked for me.
Who was driving it when this happened?
Lisa, actually, I think her name. Yeah, hey,
Yeah.
her name's Lisa, ain't it? Yeah, that's what I thought.
She was probably freaking out in
Oh
there.
yeah. She was. She called him, or she called him freaking out. I could hear it over the phone because Brandon called me. Brandon was here too. I could hear her over Brandon's phone. It's pretty funny.
I know it's tough to tell, but the road that the dump truck was stuck on was incredibly steep. The tail end of the dump truck, which this is a fully loaded dump truck, and when they're fully loaded, they can weigh up over 35 tons. So the tail end of it was kind of about to slide into a ditch. We had the tow truck be able to pull it back onto the road, and then Jason hopped in it and was able to back it down, even though it had an axle broken in the back. Like we're through the toughest part. I mean, that was really steep. It might not look like it in the video, but that was really steep. Jason doing a great job backing this thing out. And I believe that Colton was saying that this truck is still under warranty, which is super clutch. And they're going to hook it up to this tow truck. They're going to take it to the shop, and it's going to be fixed under warranty. So stay tuned. So what are we about to do here?
We've got to pull the two axles out of the housing because the rear, the furthest back rear end is not broke. If we leave the axles in there without spinning, it could potentially cause damage to this rear end. The other one's already damaged, so it's not gonna matter. It's not gonna hurt anything.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna get out of the way so we don't get run over.
Somebody's gonna be on there. You should have done it this way. I don't know what I'm doing, folks.
So what's the ETA on a repair like this?
Oh, dude, honestly, I have no idea. Because it's gonna be under warranty, and then, I mean, everybody knows how hard getting parts is nowadays. So.
Remove.